Morgan H. Stark, want some lunch?
The fine lunch or be
Okay.
going away.
You should not be wearing that, okay? That is part of a special anniversary gift I'm making for How did you learn this?
What?
Really? Were you looking for it?
No. I found it.
You like going in the garage, huh? So does Daddy.
Твой маяк подарил мне боль. Устал я жить, все обиды тая. Уходи, за собой закрой.
Mommy told me to come and save you.
Good job. I'm saved. Forget it. And I'm happy for you, I really am. This is a second chance. I got my second chance right here.